So, ladies and gentlemen, finally, we got here. It took 6 years. So, ladies and gentlemen, in the 6th year of the Integrated Manufacturing Excellence Initiative, we witness a truly historic moment. This organization has crossed the very summit of EMI performance, achieved the rarest of the rare beyond apex distinction, a level that reflects not just world-class systems, but deep-rooted leadership discipline, relentless Kaizen culture, and enterprise-wide ownership of operational excellence. This is not an award for results alone. It is a recognition of sustained belief, courage to transform, and a mastery of manufacturing excellence in action. Today, we proudly welcome our EMI India icon, Beyond Apex Achiever, on stage. But to continue with the next set of honors, please welcome Mr. Vinod Grover, Chief Mentor, Kaizen Hansai, and Managing Director of Kaizen Institute, SAIN, and Mr. Kumar Vivek, Regional Head, Economic Times. Please get your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, as we have Mr. Grover and Mr. Vivek joining us on stage. So, here we go, ladies and gentlemen, history in the making. A refinery where discipline and ownership fuel world-class execution, demonstrated through stellar asset reliability, real-time digital dashboards, and a powerhouse culture of Kaizen-driven problem-solving. With equipment availability at benchmark levels, throughput stability sharpened by APC excellence, and a culture that links every improvement to measurable impact. This team stands out as a symbol of trust, craftsmanship, and technical mastery. Further, ladies and gentlemen, they are conferred a Platinum Iconic Prize in the Safe Factory Initiative and a Gold Prize in the Smart Factory Initiative. So, let us bring forward the champions. Ladies and gentlemen, Reliance Industries Limited, SEZ, Jamnagar.
Huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, as they join us on stage. And I believe that they deserve a standing ovation. Let's hit the music, Ashraf, as we give a standing ovation to Reliance Industries Limited, SEZ, Jamnagar, Mr. 𝗂𝗂𝗃𝗓 and T. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, let's keep it going for the history makers up here on stage for the very first time in the last 6 years. Congratulations to you, Reliance Industries Limited, SEZ, Jamnagar. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. We take a seat and we would request Mr. 𝗂𝗂𝗃𝗓𝗏 to say a few words. In fact, you can say more than a few words.
Yeah, good evening to all, one and all who have assembled here. And first of all, a big thank you to the Kaizen Hansai and the IME teams for conferring on us this prestigious recognition. Actually, all of you have already said the thoroughness in which this particular assessment was done, and more so being in the field rather than just the document audit. It is actually the experts coming from different functions, and not only that, even from the same, the team has assembled excellent the same industry experts also. And when such team comes and looks at from a different perspective, that is when our eyes actually get opened. The thoroughness in which, if you see the audit, there were several positive points probably which led us to this particular to this icon award. But if you look at the pages, the several pages of improvements that were identified by this team, those were actually worth its weight in gold more than probably the best practices that we had. So our chairman always says that what brought us here is not what is going to take you there. So this particular, the several improvement areas that this team has identified in various attributes, and not only just identifying and giving us the gaps, but also giving us a path and also telling us that if we do this, what we can actually expect at the end of it, what improvements we can expect. Those are the things that we really take back to further. We have not reached anywhere, but we have to take ourselves further, because excellence, like we have already seen today, is just a journey. So thank you once again to the 𝗵𝗁𝗲, the Kaizen 𝗵𝗁𝗲 team, and showing us this particular light on the different fronts, be it digitalization, be it reliability, be it safety, be it different like the root cause analysis things that were being talked about. So every front, there were a lot of scope of improvement that we have also seen, and we are going to definitely take it back positively to further improve in the days to come. And I would like to thank my team for their wholehearted, in fact, efforts for bringing us here. But then we'll take back all these learnings to ensure that we continuously keep on improving to next levels. And thank you once again, Team 𝗵𝗁𝗲.
Congratulations to the team. Thank you very much. Thank you. So ladies and gentlemen, one final time, a huge round of applause. And a big thank you to Mr. Grover, to Mr. Vivek, and to Mr. Shashi Dhar for joining us on stage.